everyone, my name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you guys how to refresh this hair. I just landed in Omaha from Chicago and I'll show you guys how to fix it up. I'll be using my Amika blow dry brush and also the Undone volume matte spray. I have a little tiny can. As you guys can see, my environment has changed. I don't have the best lighting. I didn't bring like a ring light or anything with me, so all I have is a little tiny lamp in my room right here, and this is what we're working with. My camera is on this little speaker and what you see is what you get. I'm gonna try this whole recording in the room business for you guys. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what I can do in between the Amika Tour life. So I'm gonna spray the Undone spray in between on my scalp to give a little volume. I'm on day 2 hair, so that's kind of where I'm at. And I'm just gonna brown brush it out and give it a little shape because right now it's just stringy and needs some love. So I'm gonna use the highest setting on my blow dry brush, and I can't really talk while I'm doing this because you guys aren't gonna hear it, so just check it out. And just so you guys know, this brush has a ceramic plate, so it's not only like blow drying it and re-zhuzhing it, it is also giving it a little shape, as you guys can see, because it is a styler and does have the ions, and the ceramic gets a little warmed up. So I mean, I can still touch it so it doesn't get too hot, but it definitely gives it like a new shape. As you guys can see, this side is like and this side's a lot nicer. And I twirl it around. I'm sure you guys can kind of see, like I flip it so that it goes around the brush, kind of like you would do a blowout, which makes sense, you know? And then I roll it back up and hold it there. Even if you want, you could turn it off like this and hold it on the plates. The plates do get warmed up so that it can get a little bit of that curl without the blow dry, because it's already warmed up. So that works too if you don't want to put too much heat damage on your hair. I gently rolled it in just so it can kind of cool down while being rolled. So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Let me go in the window. So as you can tell, like this side is definitely a lot nicer than this crunchy side where I traveled, and this is nice and smooth out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I will show you guys the finished product. I'm glad you guys are joining me in my room adventure. And I just did 2 sections on this side, and I'm just gonna do 2 on this side. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just wanna refresh, honestly. Another thing you could do is you can lightly mist your hair if you bring like a water bottle or something like that, and just give it a little mist and then kind of start over. Now I'll turn it off again and just let it kind of sit and curl it just from the heat of the blow dry. So this one's different than the Blowout Bombshell Babe, but very similar when you do it this way. The idea is the same essentially. Alright, and I already put that undone in my scalp, so I'm gonna just zhuzh it, make it bigger up here. And voila. So it has a little more shape. It's a little refreshed. It's definitely better than it was when I landed, because I gotta go straight to a store and I don't have a ton of time. I mean, I guess I could have curled it or something, but I just figured I would use this tool and blow it out, since I brought it as my blow dryer as well for like tomorrow, which will be my wash day. And so yeah, so now you guys can see what I do. Thanks for joining me in my hotel room. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If this is your first time here, nice to meet you. And see you guys next time. Bye.